Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This will be quick video on 2013 Tacoma. It's a four-wheel drive, but I should say this will be quick video on its engine. It's that very common, great 4-liter V6 1GR-FE. You can see it here with that cover. It's very dusty because it's being driven. This is not a vehicle which sits. This is being driven in the hills. I think the owner is firefighter, so he needs that four-wheel drive. It's being used rough and all the time. And I want to do a quick video. If you ever buy one of these, I would like to do a quick video on the pattern which I keep seeing here. And it's related to the engine oil change. So I showed you in different videos that I will open here the filler. I will remove the cap and there will be all that yellow crazy milkshake. And we discussed that, and I reported to you that not necessarily it means there is a problem with the engine. So I did today the engine oil change, and when I removed that cap, there was again very little, in this one, very little of that yellow milkshake. When I drained the engine oil, there were no any sign of the coolant in that engine oil. Everything is clean, but look, hopefully you can see that detail, that here inside of this filler cap, engine oil filler cap, there is that yellow stuff inside. Can I get you a little bit closer? I hope so. Let's see if this will work out for us better. Ah yeah, do you see that yellow stuff inside? Yep, it's still there. On this vehicle it's very little, and I can tell you it's a pattern which I see on Tacomas equipped with 1GR-FE 4-liter V6 engine. This one is very little, very low, but it's still there. All those vehicles which I discovered that yellow stuff keep coming to my service. These are the customers, returning customers who stick with me. They like my services and I keep seeing it under that cap. What I want to say is, purely theoretically, if one of them were selling this truck for some reasonable money, I will never hesitate to buy it. I know there are no drivability issues. We don't see any misfires on the cold startup or through the day. These engines run perfectly. This one has 177,000 miles. At this mileage, I will be not afraid to purchase one of these. Obviously, I will do detailed inspection. You can trust me on that. I will use my shop, go through everything. But again, we see this moisture under that cap, but there's nothing in the engine oil. Everything's fine. Engine pours like a kitten, pulls really hard, nothing wrong with it. So if you will see it, if you are shopping for one of those, and you will see a little bit of that, it's always yellow, it's very bright yellow, call it milkshake. If you will see it there, that means there is a little bit of moisture inside of the engine, and it collects at that highest spot, and that place it's the highest spot. So do your own inspection, use common sense, but so far, seeing this pattern at my shop, I will say there are no worries, and I personally will not hesitate buy a vehicle like that. So I wanted to do this quick video. It might be helpful for one of yours if you are shopping for those. Also, please, if you have experience with it, discuss it in the comments below the video. That's why I keep filming this. I look at his channel as a video forum for the owners of the Toyotas. So share What do you know about this? I will read it. I have no time to respond every single comment, but I always fly through your comments. I love to read it. Please share it down there, so our community is growing and everybody can participate or gain from the other people's experience. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel. If you like this video, give a thumb up. Be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. I will catch you in the next one, my friend.